Which theory built a better nation? For me, the theory that builds a better nation is modernization theory. This theory says that a country can grow and become a successful if it improves its education, technology, industries, and government systems. It means that development starts when people learn new skills, work hard, and open their minds to change. Modernization theory gives hope because it shows that every poor countries can rise if they follow a path of progress. For example, when a country invests in education, people become more skilled and productive. When we support local businesses and use technology wisely, our economy becomes stronger. And when we have honest and responsible leaders, the whole nation moves forward. The other theories like dependency theory and world system theory help us understand global problems. Dependency theory explains that poor countries stay poor because they depend too much on rich countries. World system theory says the world is divided into powerful and weak nations. These ideas are true, but they focus more on why countries are poor rather than how to become rich. That's why I believe modernization theory builds a better nation. It encourages us to take action, to educate ourselves, work together, and believe that we can create change. It reminds us that development starts within us in our attitude and effort. If every citizen takes part in improving our country, little by little, we can build a stronger and brighter nation for the next generation. Thank you.